There's only 3 weeks left until Christmas. Today is Tuesday, December 4th, and today I'm doing a cleaning motivation video. I've actually not done one of these since moving into this place, and the reason that I'm doing that today is because I do not feel great. I actually feel pretty yuck, and I just feel like cleaning is a good way for me to kind of slowly be productive and achieve something, but also not go back on my promise of uploading every second day. I filmed yesterday, I filmed a couple times last week. My videos will not be in order like a normal Vlogmas. They'll just kind of all be mixed in together. So today I'm doing something that's going to give you guys a video, but is also going to help me kind of work through the fact that I don't feel very well this afternoon. I went over and hung out with my friend this morning, and we were playing around with some henna, and I've never had henna before, so I have this one on my arm, and then she did 2 on my feet as well, and it's so much fun. And I even did one on her. It was actually so much harder to do than I thought it would be, but it was really fun and I really enjoyed it, and it was a new experience for me. So if you see these, it looks like I got a tattoo, but it's just henna, and I think they last for maybe like a week or 2. Oh, and I also keep getting these questions like, do you even have anything left to clean? Or aren't you like the most cleanest OCD person ever? I talk about all these habits and these routines and these things that I am really good at for a few days, and then there will always be that day where I am just too exhausted. Like today, I don't feel great, so I've come home and I've just chucked my jacket and my bag and parcels on the bench, or I opened a parcel and left it there. This morning I left my pajamas on the couch because I didn't put them in my bed. It's just not every day am I switched on and feeling awesome and part of my routines, and for me it's part of the process. I actually really enjoy cleaning and trying to be better with my routine and trying to implement new things and trying different things, and I'm always gonna have things to clean because I keep making things messy again. So let's get in, do a big deep clean, and hopefully you guys have some cleaning motivation and want to get up and clean as well. I'm thinking about maybe picking the corner of the room and then just working my way back. I think that's what I'll do. I'm just going to start in this corner and work my way back. I have a lot of camera equipment that takes up some space sometimes, and it's just not the most visually appealing thing to have tripods and camera bags and all of the bits and pieces everywhere. But it's the life of a YouTuber and it happens. Does anyone have any cute ways to store remotes? I have my air conditioning remote and my TV remote, and they're kind of chunky and a bit ugly. Next to that, I have a little bottle of perfume and a little bottle of gold, and then a soy vanilla candle from Dusk, which I actually think I might light now. It's a very festive scent, and I only ever burn it at this time of the year. I absolutely love my curtains. I feel like they create such a nice vibe in here, and it just makes it so much easier for me to show you everything going on in here as well. Love my chair and my side table from Koala Living. Table makes me so happy, but I just want to style it up with some plants or nice flowers. It's really boring. This isn't styled at all. I just have some books, a couple candles, and my coin tray, if you're wondering what all that money was. It's just different currencies from when I've traveled, and I just sort of sit it under there until I go to travel again. But I just can't wait to style up this corner, but I am loving how this living room is coming together. I have some presents under the Christmas tree, but they're actually all my mum's. I need to wrap those, and I haven't even finished decorating my Christmas tree. I don't have a star yet, so that's something I'm gonna have to get onto this week. My vanilla candle ended. I did actually drop it on the ground, and I don't know if it was lit when it fell off the table, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't because there was no wax in there and there was nothing left. So we have a new candle. This is whatever this one is by Diptyque. I'm eating some crackers because I need a little snack. I just had a phone call with my brother. We were just chatting Christmas because for the first time in 6 years, myself and all 3 of my brothers will actually be home for Christmas, which I'm so excited about. And having this conversation with him just now has got me really, really excited. So I'm leaving not this Friday, not the next Friday, but the Friday after to go home, and I just can't wait. And I'm so excited, and it's gonna be the best Christmas. Last night it was unbelievably windy, and there's always a draft under the door, and I do have a door stopper that's at the door regularly, but I just needed more, so I had a sheet and a pillow down here as well because it was so noisy. I don't think I've ever had it so windy here before. You can't half tell that I love slides. These are the most comfortable shoes. I have my new ones from Novo, and then my London Rebel ones, which have been worn a lot, and then I have these brand new ones that I actually unboxed today. I love these ones. I feel like they are super summery, and they're made in Greece as well. This is my next job. I've just been putting things in here. The clean washing I put away before. I didn't actually put it away. I just put it on the bed. Shoes, anything that belongs in here. It's just kind of been put in here. So we're getting here. We'll clean this one after the bathroom. Problem, and that is that I don't actually have a mop. It's broken, and so I did the bathroom floor by hand just using wipes, which is kind of gross, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. The other thing left to do is water my plants and do my bedroom. And I'm done. That feels so good. I actually don't feel as yuck as I did before. Maybe I just needed to get up and move around. I don't know. Hope you guys have enjoyed this clean with me, like cleaning motivation. It was a pretty deep clean. Like I actually did quite a lot. I got a little lazy towards the end and didn't do like my bedside table and a few of the other things, but mostly done, and it feels good. And now I'm gonna take my makeup off and relax and spend the rest of the night doing absolutely nothing. Up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.